Hi everyone, Steve Buchanan here, and welcome to my course, Building a REST API in JavaScript with Express. I am a DevOps architect. This course will teach you how to utilize JavaScript and Express to build a REST API. Some of the major topics that we will cover include a journey into the REST API tech stack, how to set up a REST API project, including how to plan, design, and structure your REST API in JavaScript. We're also going to take you through the steps to build the REST API and how to test your REST API using tools such as Postman and curl. By the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of REST APIs, JavaScript, and Express, about the REST API project structures, and how to actually build the REST API and test it using CRUD operations. Before beginning this course, you should have general knowledge of HTML, web development, web technologies, and a basic understanding about JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to build a REST API in this JavaScript course at Pluralsight.